I'm very excited. I'm in Florida right now. I'm gonna pick this load up in like half hour, take it down like close to Miami and pick my sister up vlog. My sister's gonna be with me up until I think like next week. And we're gonna go spend some time with my girlfriend. I'm in a relationship vlog. And I have found the one, okay? The one vlog, the one! Wife. I am getting married next year. It's crazy. So she's Indian. The future missus. She's an Indian. And it's so cool because I'm learning that the Indian culture and like, you know, just the Jamaican culture is a lot of similarities. So it's just been real interesting learning about it. You know what I mean? I'm mad move vlog. Stay tuned. Yeah, move so grandma. Come open the door, man. Bones, my sister vlogs. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Hello. How you doing?
You looking for your grandma?
Yeah.
She in the bathroom.
She in the bathroom?
Okay.
Come.
Alright, come.
Take off your shoes.
Yeah, take off your shoes now, people. Oh, shut up, hey.
Selfies.
Look on grandma. Grandma. Oh, you look so young.
Where are you and where were you?
Come, grandma. Come say hello to the people.
I'm taking your picture.
To the whole of the people on the internet and everything.
Mama, you let me squeeze all them black hair out your nose.
Grandma, you dig your nose for life, grandma. Who that, Bones? Yeah, move so. Grandma, hurry up, man, because you move like you can't walk. Watch out. Grandma, you know say you can move faster than that, you know, grandma. Watch your man. Everybody there, watch it. Rudy Valley. A long time I see that you there, you know, my uncle. Now my next one, right, this a boom, mad move. Almost the whole family, you see me? Alright, people, we ready for the road. Max, we ready. We ready. Come ready. Come ready. Who that, Bones? Yes, you ready for the road? A mad move. You hear that? Alright, vlog, so we are in Dunkin' Donuts right now. We got Shimona, sister, Sarah vlog, wifey. Say hello to the vlog. Alright, vlog, so we are on our way to Arkansas from Illinois to go pick up Shimona's car. Max even on the trip as well. They coming in with the food.
Watch out, Max.
I never know you, but I really feel so nice, love sponge. I don't wanna let you go. With you, I'm in no hurry. Oh no, this one is called love as Christ. Never know you, but I really. The total, now the money make me get antisocial. Rock straight like my pants them. Oh lord, pussy got the weed and the blem. Girl I come cross, bring a friend. And them I feel like me friend them. Boom boom, soon see that pull up the. Say you are gonna shop the club. You make your lifestyle free. Say you are gonna beat and then don't beat.
Look at that. Just got to the car after 16 million hours of driving. Go ahead and see if it starts. Go ahead. Show the people him now. Hurry up.
I don't know.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Vlog, we just came a long way, yo. Let's see if my girlfriend's car starts.
Back up, back up. We're always get ready to go somewhere. Like somewhere.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just dropped Max off at the groomers, and my sister and Shimona is sleeping. So as soon as Max is done with the groomers, we're gonna drive to Michigan from Illinois. So that's gonna be like over 5 hours. So yeah, I'm mad move. Max, about to get this boy groomed. Pet smart. Say hello, Max. Grooming time.
Bruh!
Alright, vlog. You see that? Vlog girl. Do it for the vlog, me. I do it for the vlog. Vlog, you know I had to bring them downtown. You know what I mean? Once. Every time I say that, she always. So we at the river walk. You see me? I'm at move. You look too good still. You know what I mean? You have to look presentable still.
That's right. This would be good in fish right here.
Canada. Amati. Shimona is sad. Big red. You see me? What you gotta say to the vlog?
Alright, vlog.
Once. You see them pants? I want that.
They were short.